Noah?
Rini, we gotta go to the bunker!
We shouldn't stay here. It's cramped and dusty. I can hardly breathe. It's horrible.
We'll get through this, Rini.
Miss Clark said it's not safe here.
Miss Clark also said you'd get a black tongue from cursing, too. It's safer here than it is out there anyway.
We could run and hide in the woods.
No!
Or we could run back to the orphanage. I'm sure Sarah and Maria are waiting for us.
We're stuck in here. Why don't you understand that? Anyone still out there is going to die. All of them. Little girls aren't invincible. They got blown to pieces too. I didn't mean to. Rini, I didn't mean to scare you. Rini, I'm so sorry. Just forget what I said. We're okay. You're safe here, I promise. What can I do to comfort Rini? That reminds me of something that never fails to cheer Rini up. Guess who I am? Well?
You don't look like him at all.
How about now?
No, you don't even have baubles. And where's Spot?
Where am I supposed to get a bobble hat? Not to mention a green super caterpillar. He's got a bobblehead. I hate to make a fool of myself. I'll do it for Rini. Hey, Rini.
Hello, Sadwick. How's Spot?
Well, ask him yourself when he shows up. This could make a fine sock spot. Ta-da! Today's show is all about audience requests.
I want a story about silence.
Really?
A.
No! Please tell me the story of Spot and Sadwick.
All right. So this is the story of Sadwick.
And his world's silence.
Sure. And his world. Oh. Sorry. Silence. Sadwick was a clown who never laughed.
He also didn't want people to laugh at him.
So he left his grandpa, his brother, and the circus to see the world.
But not alone.
Because with him was his best friend...
Spot. Spot also helped Sadwick. And he did it by changing into all kinds of things.
Eventually, they made their way to the King of Silence.
You need a crown and something for the prosophy.
One thing at a time. First, my crown. Ah, there it is.
Hey presto, the King of Silence.
He was a good king.
But he got very sick.
And along with him, the land began to suffer.
Fields withered.
Walls and cities crumbled.
Everything decayed and fell apart. If only the king would recover. 'Cause if he did, so would Silence.
Sadwick wanted to bring him an elixir of life, just as an old oracle had foreseen.
Shauna's not old.
Right. She's pretty timeless, actually.
And mysterious. Where's her crystal ball?
Why, hello there, crystal ball.
Did Shauna have a ball like that?
Sure. Somewhere. The mysterious Shauna foretold that Sadwick was destined to save the king, but also that he would destroy Silence.
Of course he would never believe that. He wanted to bring an elixir of life to the king, right?
Yes, but when he arrived at the castle, he saw that Shauna was right. Do you remember what awaited him in the throne room?
What turns everything around without actually moving?
There was no king in the throne room, only a mirror. I think I can do better than that. No, Rini wants a proper story, so I need a proper mirror.
And when Sadwick dared to look into the mirror, he didn't see a sad clown with a bobble hat.
Instead, there was a boy, struck with illness, ready to open his eyes after a long time, or to leave them shut forever.
That boy was you. You were sick and sleeping, and Sadwick, Spot, and Silence. That was all just a dream.
Yeah.
What did Sadwick do?
He smashed the mirror and doomed his world.
To save you. You were the King of Silence.
Rini!
Under heavy fire.
Damn it. Rini? Rini, are you okay? Rini!
Fighting the third wave of attacks. Heavy artillery bombardment. the battle rekindled. Expensive.
Rini! Where are you?
Troops are on standby. Heavy casualties.
Oh, thank God. The sock I used as spot for my story. Looks like the egg Spot hatched from. Strange. Spot? Are you in there?
Noah?
Rini! Thank God you're alive! Where are you?
Noah?
You stupid piece of junk.
Troops are on standby. Strategic offensive. Heavy casualties.
Keep it down.
Fighting the third wave of attacks.
Shut off already. Shut up!
Are encouraged to enlist.
Noah?
Artillery bombardment.
Rini!
After months of resistance, the battle rekindled.
Just die already!
Troops are on standby.
Yeah! What is that? Whoa! Whoa! What? Where am I? There's stuff from Silence all over the place. Is this a dream?
Hey, what's that?
I'm on my way. Stay put! And hup! Uh-oh! I could jump over there. If I could overcome my fear of heights, that is. Or my fear in general, for that matter. Farini! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Another world wrecked by my hands. Hey, that was only a globe. And I'm not Sadwick. The last time I saw that armor, a cook was wearing it. I hope he got out okay.
Huh? Who are you?
Rini, what are you doing? No, stay right there. Rini! Come on, keep going.
Whoa. It's like a dream. Huh? Who are you?
Ah! Huh? The light, the colors, the smell? This is silence. Whoa! What's with this crap? I dream whatever I want. And I don't want friggin' butterflies and rainbows. I want my sister back! Oh, crap.
Shut up! Get down, quick!
Jeez, what was that? Whew.
You did well.
What?
Listen to me. Seekers are serious
Yeah, I
business.
figured as much. What are they seeking, anyhow?
More importantly, what are you looking for?
My sister. She's about this size and...
She's brave.
You've seen her?
She took a stroll through the world worm's maw. Its jaws were still twitching.
What? You mean... the worm was still alive?
I don't know how you managed to get out of a world worm alive or even kill it, but I suppose chance smiled upon you. I hope she keeps smiling or else you won't get far here. Your sister will be safe, by the way. One of my people is taking her to our secret camp.
Where has she gone?
Can't tell you, that's implied by secret.
What do you mean by one of your people? Hello? Who are you?